Hello, how you doing? Today, and as you can see right here, we're going to make this chicken in a cream sauce with garlic, bell peppers. There's no flour in the sauce, we're just going with some stock and we're going to use cream. It's really simple and it's super delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to get started with our chicken. Let's take a look at this. So I've got here a 1.3 kg chicken. This is about 2.5 pounds or so. The bone is in. The skin has been taken off and I've cut it into bite-sized sort of pieces. Let's get to the cooker and get this on the go. So you're going to need a wok, like I've got a kind of woky thing, a pot or something like that, or a large skillet. In there I've got some oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. There's like 3 or 4 tablespoons. And we're going to take our chicken and pop it in. And when I say bite-sized pieces, some of these are actually a bit bigger than bite-sized, aren't they? And at this stage, all we're going to do is just add some salt and pepper to this. And we're going to fry it around on medium heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. Fantastic. So there we go, nice gentle medium heat. We're now going to add 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, and continue cooking for another 4 or so minutes. Giving it a stir every now and then. Super fab. Next up we're going to add some stock. I'm using a chicken stock here. Got like 2 to 3 cups. Again, medium heat. Let it go now for about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, it's looking beautiful. Chicken's cooked really nicely now. That's at this point we're now going to add some bell peppers. Now I've used like 1 decent sized bell pepper, or half of a red and half of a yellow, as you can see. Cut it into nice thin strips. And to that I'm going to add cream. Now I'm using thick cream. It doesn't matter if you use thick or thin cream. Any cream will be fine. It will all work out the same. Now here I've got 250 ml. In volume about 2 cups. We're going to work this in and stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go for another 5 or so minutes. You're going to give it a stir every now and then. We're nearly done. It's beautiful and easy. Okay, job done. Off goes the heat. That is really beautiful. As it cooked then, it just sort of reduced down a little bit. Now if you wanted, I'm not going to do this, but you can get a handful or a cup maybe of cheddar or Parmesan cheese in there to enrich it. Maybe a few chili flakes or some chopped basil, fresh basil or parsley in there. That is beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. So you can serve that with some spaghetti or something like that. That's what we're going to be doing. Really simple, delicious, no flour, cream, garlic, chicken sauce there. Really fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.